Good evening, students. So today we will start the next para of NCRT class 11, chapter 1, The Living World. Okay. Perhaps the most obvious and technically complicated feature of all living organism is this ability to sense their surroundings or environment and respond to these environmental stimuli, which could be physical, chemical, or biological. Okay, so living being responds to this environment either physically, means from their body, either from human body, or in a chemical way, either from chemicals or from biological means it's completely from biological way. Okay, so next we sense our environment through our sense organs. So how, from which organs we sense this environment? Through our sense organs. Sense organs means eyes, ear, nose, tongue and feel. Okay, skin. Okay, let's now see. Plants respond to external factors like light, water, temperature, other organisms, pollutants, etc. Okay, so plants respond to external factors. How? From light. From light, it's sunlight. Here light means sunlight. So plant respond to sunlight. External factors. So plant respond to sunlight, water, temperature, other organisms, and pollutants. Okay. So next, now see other organisms. Plants has over. Now let's see the other organism. Other organisms, here it is telling that all organisms from the prokaryotes to the most complex eukaryotes can sense and respond to environmental cues. So what do you mean by prokaryotes and eukaryotes? Prokaryotes means the organisms which does not have nucleus and other organelles, and eukaryotes means the organism which has nucleus and plus other organelles. So prokaryotes and eukaryotes both can sense and respond to environmental cues. Okay, next. Photoperiod affects reproduction in seasonal breeders, both plants and animals. So photoperiod means the way how plant achieve the light of sunlight and makes it food. So this is the process of this is the process which is known as photoperiod, and photoperiod affects reproduction in seasonal breeders. Seasonal breeders means the organisms which reproduce at some particular season, and both plants and animals also. Okay, so photoperiods affects reproduction in seasonal breeders and plants and animals. Okay, all other organisms handle chemicals entering their bodies. So human beings, animals, what do? They handle the, when they eat the food, and whatever kind of chemicals enter into their body, they used to handle it. Okay, all organisms therefore are aware of their surroundings. So every organisms are aware of their surroundings. Suppose somebody is coming from back and you are not aware, of it, then you see that, then you get hurt. But if you are aware of it, you will never get hurt. Okay, understood? So this is what you mean by all organisms therefore are aware of their surroundings. So every organisms need to be aware of their surrounding. Then what will happen? The person who is coming from the back, you can see at the back and get response and get leave that place, and can leave that place, and the person might go forward from that place which we have left. Okay, now let's see. Human being is the only organism who is aware of himself. So human being is the only organism which is aware of himself, that is have self consciousness. Okay, so consciousness therefore becomes the defining property of living organisms. So this awareness of living organisms is known as consciousness, and this consciousness is the defining property of living organisms. Okay children, so this is the today's topic. Have a good day and good luck. Bye.